video, and this is a brilliant show all about pop music, a brilliant show. Welcome to Good Rock.
Right, so we're doing a Paw Patrol video, and we're doing it with Paw Patrol plushies, and we're gonna make them talk and do stuff, basically random stuff.
Start off with
Right, who should we start with? Right, I'll be. Who should I be? Where's Zoomer? I can't see Zoomer. Right, I'm Zoomer. Hey guys, can you turn the lights back on?
I really can't see Baby Stormflower.
That's because you have the lights off. Okay, guys, just wait a minute until I put the lights back on. It's a bit weird. I don't know why they're putting the lights off. Ruby, Imogen, put the lights back on. Thank you, Imogen. Right, so let's go. Right. You want to start?
Yeah. This was a beautiful day in Japan. And then, right at point day, this, I know what the theme can be. Pop saying sniffles and guess what? Chase was sick. It's a joke.
Right, so does Chase have to go to the hospital?
No, he was staying in bed.
Right. So it's not that bad that he has to go to the hospital. Okay, right.
He's sick. We have to wait for the end.
Right.
Jump!
Where's Ryder?
Jump!
Oh, did he catch it? Achoo! Achoo!
No, Rubble didn't get sick. Rubble
There's a poo in the hole.
No, there's not. It's Ruby's fake poo, isn't it?
No, it isn't.
Literally a real poo. You're just lying. You've just made a fake poo, haven't you? Did you literally bring your fake poo here?
Jump!
Right, so back to this.
These were the ones who were sick.
Who? Who was sick?
These ones.
So Chase, Rocky,
No.
Marshall.
Chase, Boomer, Rocky, Sky.
Right, so Rubble was the only one who wasn't sick.
Yeah.
Right. Where's Ryder?
Oh, that's a piggy.
Come on. What did I want to say?
We asked them what's wrong.
The lizard.
What's wrong?
I seem to be sick. I don't know.
Yeah. This is the case of Pop and Snipper. This is an awesome episode.
Yeah. Right. So I hope there isn't very good light here, so I'm going to move that Christmas tree. I'm going to get...
We can make another video.
What?
We can make another one.
A part 2?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Okay. So, right, guys! After 3, say bye!